This is Chania Waterfall in Aberdare National Park. Our adventure kick-off in Olkalau. We packed our gears and hit the road, heading fast to Ndiara. From Ndiara, our journey took us to Miharati, and then we would our way through the Kenya landscape to Gideon. Next, we made our way to Ndununjeru, getting closer and closer to our final destination. We only walk a short distance, just enough to enjoy the refreshing breeze and the pleasant surrounding of Bamboo Trail. We arrived at the gate at around 8 a.m. We checked in and we are on the way to Chania Waterfall. From the gate to the Chania Waterfall, our destination, we took around 2 hours to drive. Finally, we have arrived in our final destination, Chania Waterfall.